Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger. So to start with, you're going to open up the Hostinger homepage and log into your account by clicking on the Login tab in the top right-hand corner. From there, you'll be taken to your homepage. Next, you need to look over to the left-hand side and click on websites, all websites. And all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger will show up. Locate the website that you want to delete and then look over to the right-hand side. You should see 3 dots. By clicking on these 3 dots, you'll have different options that pop up. If you want to delete that website, click on delete and follow the instructions. And it's as easy as that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.